The video you guys are about to watch is a realistic day in my life of my diet, what I eat when I'm bulking. I'm on a pretty heavy bulk right now. I'm trying to gain about a pound a week. That's my goal. And I just hope this video shows you guys that you don't have to cook some fancy recipes 3 times a day, buy a ton of groceries and all these expensive ingredients and things like that. This is literally what I eat on a day-to-day basis. Nothing really out of the normal of today other than I went out to eat for dinner, but other than that, I mean, I basically eat similar stuff to this every single day. So I hope this helps you guys, helps you realize that getting bigger is actually a lot easier than you think. You don't let the diet hold you up. Don't let that be the reason you don't start. So with that, enjoy. Starting off the day, I actually woke up super late today. It's kind of embarrassing how late I woke up, so I can't even say the time, but I'm gonna start right off the bat eating a Cliff Bar. Not a Cliff Bar, off-brand, Target brand, whatever. But it's 250 calories, 5 fat, 43 carbs, and 10 protein. Good way to start off. And then a little bit after that, these are my secret weapon for bulking. The Gatorade bars. These are like 360 calories, 13 fat, 41 carbs, and then 20 protein. And these taste so good if you get the chocolate one. The chocolate on the inside is so good. Or like cookies and cream, that's good too. And then this is not any calories at all, but I'll still throw it in. Alani, 200 milligrams caffeine. Get me jump started. Can't really operate without caffeine anymore. Used to never drink it, but now I do every day. 10 calories, so it is something, but you know, basically zero. This shit tastes so good. I highly recommend. So easy to eat these, like one per day, and it just adds on those calories in the morning and a little bit of protein too to spread it out throughout the day. So it's been a couple hours since that last clip and got some more snacks now. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Most of like the first half of the day, I usually just eat like these processed snacks, which I know isn't super like nutrient dense and like healthy per se. But I mean, this is realistic. This is what I eat to get like the physique that I have. I've always ate like this. Usually it'll be like the first 1,200 calories of the day is snacks like this. And then usually like a good dinner always. Usually have like more nutritious stuff there, got more protein there. And then later in the night before bed, I drink a protein shake. You'll see all that later in the video. I don't know what I'm telling you now, but for now, I'm gonna eat these two. It's got like, what is it, 200 calories in the Fig Bar and then 190 in the Little Bites. And honestly, if you're bulking, I mean, you kind of got to eat this like high calorie stuff that's super dense, even though it's not the healthiest. It's what I do, and it works for a lot of other people as long as you're hitting the protein targets that you need to and making sure you're like eating vitamins as well. I usually do that to make sure I get in, you know, the nutrients, the micronutrients, stuff like that. But I'm gonna eat these now. This is how you get arms like this. This is not like fake diet at all. This is literally what I eat on a daily basis. Like I have like a big ass box of Little Bites like I showed you. Big ass box of Fig Bars, buy a ton of the protein bars. And then I usually eat better later in the day. But beginning of the day is just this, because usually if I'm at like, when I like would be working and stuff some days, it's like really easy to eat this on the go in the morning when I'm trying to do work here, things like that. Don't have to sit there and make a meal for like 30 minutes cooking, 30 minutes cleaning. Take forever to eat it, get the ingredients and everything. It's really quick and efficient and gets you to your calorie target. Another thing that's really important when you're bulking, especially if you're like me, super skinny naturally, you got to drink a lot of water as you're eating all that food, because I read recently that your body uses water in the digestion process. So you can actually get really dehydrated if you're not drinking enough water along with all the food that you're eating. And if you're taking creatine, which I highly recommend, actually I haven't taken mine today yet. but I take the tablets, but even if you take the powder or the little capsules or whatever, you need to be drinking a lot of water throughout the day to maximize the benefits of creatine, because creatine is literally pulling water into your muscle cells. So you need a lot of water to maximize like the size and strength benefits that you're going to get from it. So far today, based off the 4 things that I've eaten, the Gatorade bar, Cliff bar, Little Bites, and now the Fig bar, these 4 things, I'm already at 1,000 calories for the day, which as of right now, I'm doing about 3,300 calories per day to gain about a pound a week for me right now. And I'm already at 34 grams of protein, which is decent. I usually get most of my protein in later at night after I've worked out and stuff like that, but 1,000 calories isn't bad. Already a third of the way there. I get the middle bulk of my calories from like my dinner, and then the last third of my calories usually from a protein shake and then some ice cream. Literally not a joke. As long as I'm hitting my protein target, which I do need to work on getting a little higher, probably gonna start eating eggs a little bit more. And then my body really reacts quickly when I'm bulking. My like maintenance calories keeps going up really quickly. So probably pretty soon I'm gonna have to bump it up from 3,300 to like 3,500 maybe to keep gaining weight at the rate that I want to. Because right now I'm trying to gain about a pound a week. So if I'm not gaining that much, then I need to bump it up a little more. So probably 3,500 soon. And I'm thinking the strategy that I'm going to use for that is start drinking a 2-scoop whey protein shake in the morning, and then also one at night as well, 2 more scoops at night, which I've been doing night, but I'm going to add in the morning one, which is going to give me like 50 extra grams of protein a day, plus like, I don't know, 300 calories, something like that, including the milk that I use. And I think that's a good way to get my protein and calories up, and then easy just in the morning with all the snacks that I've been eating so far. So I just got out of a local restaurant that I went to with my girlfriend and my parents, and I meant to take a video. I ate wings. I got 10, but I only ate 7, got too full. Garlic Parmesan wings. They're actually pretty big, so a decent amount of protein in them. I meant to take a video, but I'll just pop up a picture just for fun. And I saved them for leftovers, so I'll eat the rest. I'm gonna track those calories and then go home and start eating again, because it's actually almost 9 p.m. and I still got like half my calories for the day to do. And for this, it's kind of like, it's called Paradise Grill or something like that. It's just a local kind of restaurant, so obviously there's not caloric information. Oh yeah, and our waiter like sucked. Our waitress sucked. Took 45 minutes to bring our drinks, which was crazy, or to even ask for drinks, ask what drinks we wanted. 45 minutes. So but that's besides the point. They didn't have any nutrition info because it's just a small restaurant, so I'm gonna just estimate. That's the thing that a lot of you guys get too worked up about, and that kind of causes you to get analysis paralysis, because you're trying to track your calories perfectly, and that's not what it's about. It's about just estimating and having that general idea of what you're eating, and then holding yourself to that number every single day. It's not about measuring down to the single grain of rice, because if you're trying to do that, you're probably it's too much for a lot of people. A lot of people don't have time for that, and you're gonna end up not tracking any calories at all, and then not make any progress. So it's good to just estimate. I'll probably just look up on my app. It's called Chronometer, I think it's called. I'm gonna just look up on there like garlic Parmesan wings and just add those. And it doesn't matter what restaurant it is, because they're all similar, you know. So I'll add that, and then I'll throw up a screenshot of the updated calorie information for today. So as you can see by that screenshot, the only garlic Parmesan wings I could find was from Domino's, I think it was, and it's like an 8-piece for 1,000 calories. To be honest, I feel like that could be an overestimation. I don't think it was 1,000 calories that I ate. Maybe if I eat the leftovers in the fridge a little bit later, maybe that would be 1,000. But either way, even if it's not the most accurate, what I like to do when I bulk is underestimate the calories. Like, if I think that I actually ate 1,000, but I'm kind of iffy on it, I'll actually only record it as like 800. That way, even if I gain a little bit of extra fat because I ate too many calories, more calories than I thought, and ended up eating like too many in a day, at least I'm maximizing the muscle I'm gaining, even if I am gaining a little fat, because my goal is to bulk. Now, if I'm cutting, I do the reverse. I would overestimate how many calories I think if I'm iffy on it. So if I think I ate something that is 500 calories, but I'm iffy on it, I'll record it as 600. That way I don't overeat, and then I'm like, wait, why am I not losing any weight? Why am I not losing body fat? It's because I'm like recording it correctly and overestimating by a little bit. Anyways, though, now I'm about to go work out, probably in about like 30 minutes. I got to go outside and film a couple Instagram stories for my like transformation. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, I'll have it linked below as well, or it's in like my channel bio or whatever. But I like to oh, I just inhaled the powder. Like about 30 minutes before I go work out, I eat these creatine tablets. I'd actually just started using these compared to like the powder. I used to always eat the GNC creatine powder. That worked so good for me in the past. I noticed my strength went up, my size went up when I ate that. So I got these. This is all I could find, but it is the same 5 grams, whatever, of creatine monohydrate, whatever. So I'm gonna eat these real quick. Make sure to eat or drink a lot of water with that, and then also eat some carbs too. I'm basically just telling y'all what I read on the label, and it says you're only supposed to eat 4. Right now I've been eating 5 because I'm a rule breaker. Nah, right now I'm eating 5 rather than 4. Yeah, I got chubby cheeks now, but because you guys know about like creatine loading. I'm not sure if that's a myth or not, but either way, just making sure I get all of the creatine in every day, and then probably in like a week I'll just do the recommended 4 tablets. But yeah, I'm gonna eat these, drink some water. I gotta stop this video because I'm about to cough, and then I'm gonna go work out. I don't know if I just mentioned this or not. Also gonna eat these fruit snacks. I think these are like 70 or 80 calories, something like that. A little bit of carbs to eat with the creatine, and then also just a good like pre-workout. Get some carbs in, make the pump a little bit better. All right, as you can see, I just got back from the gym. Mixed up this 2-scoop protein shake like I mentioned earlier. That's where I get the main protein for the day. It's got some ice cream. I don't really measure this out, I just kind of estimate. I'm pretty good at estimating by now because I eat ice cream literally every day. But 230 for 2/3 of a cup. Multiply that by 2. That's my serving size. That'll get me to about 3,000 for the day, and then I'm gonna have to fill in to get to 3,300 with something else. And it is kind of excessive drinking a whey and milk-based protein shake and then ice cream as well right before bed. It's a lot of milk, but my stomach has gotten pretty used to it. It's pretty good at digesting it quickly, and I don't have too many stomach problems because of it. All right, this is gonna make me look so bad, but I need 300 more calories. I already hit my protein for the day. I'm at 157 grams. I mean, 4 of these will get me 300 calories. And I gotta drink my protein shake, and I'll be at 3,300 for the day. Hit my protein target as well. That's how it works. Gets me the gains. So if it works, it works.